Namaskar. It's a pleasure.
In his first ever conversation with Taliban ruled Afghanistan's Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi, External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar on Thursday underlined India's traditional friendship with Afghan people and continuing support for their development needs. The conversation took place days after India and Pakistan agreed to stop military strikes in the wake of Operation Sindoor conducted after the Pahalgam terror attack, an incident condemned by the Kabul regime. Tensions between Afghanistan and Pakistan too have been running high. This is also the first political level contact and conversation since the Taliban captured power in Kabul in August 2021. In January this year, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri met Muttaqi in Dubai. The last political level contact took place in 1999-2000 when the External Affairs Minister Jaswant Singh was in touch with Taliban Foreign Minister Wakil Ahmed Muttawakkil following the hijacking of Indian Airlines flight IC-814 to Kandahar in December 1999. After his conversation with Muttaqi, Jaishankar in a post on X said, and I quote, "Good conversation with acting Afghan Foreign Minister Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi this evening. Deeply appreciate his condemnation of the Pahalgam terrorist attack, welcomed his firm rejection of recent attempts to create distrust between India and Afghanistan through false and baseless reports." Now, this is an apparent reference to reports in Pakistan that Indian missiles had hit Afghanistan, which India called ludicrous. He also added, and I quote, underlined our traditional friendship with Afghan people and continuing support for their development needs, discussed ways and means of taking cooperation forward. Meanwhile, the Taliban Foreign Ministry said, and I quote, the acting Minister of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan, Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi, held a telephonic conversation with the Minister of External Affairs of India, Mr. Jay Shankar. It added, and I quote, in this conversation, discussions focused on strengthening bilateral relations, trade, and elevating the level of diplomatic ties. The Afghan foreign minister described India as an important regional country and highlighted the historical ties with Afghanistan, expressing hope for further strengthening of these relations. He emphasized maintaining positive relations with all parties through a balanced policy. Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi also requested facilitation of Indian visas for Afghan traders and patients, as well as the release of repatriation of Afghan prisoners in India. The ministry also added, Jay Shankar also acknowledged the historical ties with Afghanistan and stated that his country would continue its cooperation with Afghanistan, emphasizing joint efforts in political and economic areas. Mr. Jaishankar further committed to promptly addressing the issue of prisoners and facilitating visa procedures. Both sides also stressed the development of Chabahar port. In the last week of April, Delhi had sent M. Anand Prakash, Joint Secretary in charge of Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran in the Ministry of External Affairs to Kabul. Even before Prakash reached Kabul, the Afghan Foreign Ministry had condemned the Pahalgam terror attack. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan categorically condemns the recent attack on tourists in the Pahalgam region in Jammu and Kashmir and expresses condolences to the bereaved families. He said such incidents undermine efforts to ensure regional security and stability. According to the Taliban statement, Muttaqi underscored the importance of expanding diplomatic and economic relations between Kabul and Delhi. In January, in the first high-level bilateral engagement with the Taliban regime, Foreign Secretary Misri met Muttaqi in Dubai. A statement from the Ministry of External Affairs had said that the two sides discussed various issues pertaining to bilateral relations as well as regional developments. But it was not just a meet and greet sort of a meeting, as it covered a range of issues: India's security concerns in Afghanistan, the need for India to consider engaging in development projects in the near future, Delhi's humanitarian assistance, including support for rehabilitation of Afghan refugees from Pakistan, use of Iran's Chabahar port for accessing the conflict-hit country, and cricketing ties between the two countries. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.